Sunday morning in the spring of '96. Chilling on my fucked up in the booze against the nip. On him marches in the nice paper thinking sick. Cinch up on my shirt with lipstick.
Clap your hands for Jam Production Remix.
Just began to spell the word of it. Early Sunday morning in the spring of '96. I'm chilling on my fucked up in the booze against the nip. On him marches in the nice paper thinking sick. Cinch up on my shirt with lipstick. I thought it would explain, but then my story wouldn't stick. The craving eating pictures showed me with some other chicks. It happened once before and she was tired of the tricks. Just began to spell the word of it. Situation's looking kind of hot. I lost the best girl I ever had. Only time I'm feeling kind of sad. Why me alone? Why me alone? Why me alone? Why me? Early Sunday morning in the spring of '96. Chilling on my fuck, on my fuck, on my fuck, chilling on my fuck, on my fuck, on my fuck, chilling on my fuck, on my fuck, on my fuck, chilling on my fuck up in the booze against the nets. Early Sunday morning in the spring of '96. Chilling on my fuck, on my fuck, on my fuck, chilling on my fuck, on my fuck, on my fuck, chilling on my fuck, on my fuck, on my fuck, chilling on my fuck up in the booze against the nets. Early Sunday morning in the spring of '96. I'm chilling on my fuck up in the booze against the nets. My honey marches in the nice paper thinking sick. It's cinch up on my shirt with lipstick. I thought it could explain, but then my story wouldn't stick. The craving eating picture showed me with some other chick. It happened once before and she was tired of the tricks. She asked me can I spell the word of it. Situation's looking kind of hot. I lost the best girl I ever had. Only time I'm feeling kind of sad. Why me alone? Why me alone? Why me alone? Why me? Why me? Why me? Situation's looking kind of Situation's looking kind of Situation's looking kind of Situation's looking kind of Early Sunday morning in the spring of '96. I'm chilling on my fuck up in the booze against the nets. My honey marches in the nice paper thinking sick. It's cinch up on my shirt with lipstick. I thought it could explain, but then my story wouldn't stick. The craving eating picture showed me with some other chick. It happened once before and she was tired of the tricks. She asked me can I spell the word of it. Situation's looking kind of hot. I lost the best girl I ever had. Only time I'm feeling kind of sad. Why me alone? Why me alone? Why me alone? Why me? Early Sunday morning in the spring of '96. Chilling on my fuck, on my fuck, on my fuck, chilling on my fuck, on my fuck, on my fuck, chilling on my fuck, on my fuck, on my fuck, chilling on my fuck up in the booze against the nets. Early Sunday morning in the spring of '96. Chilling on my fuck, on my fuck, on my fuck, chilling on my fuck, on my fuck, on my fuck, chilling on my fuck, on my fuck, on my fuck, chilling on my fuck up in the booze against the nets. Early Sunday morning in the spring of '96. I'm chilling on my fuck up in the booze against the nets. My honey marches in the nice paper thinking sick. It's cinch up on my shirt with lipstick. I thought it could explain, but then my story wouldn't stick. The craving eating picture showed me with some other chick. It happened once before Turns us up, you kinda pop, you kinda pop.